Your bloodstream is like a nightclub, and here's why. In this business, there's three important roles. So we have your WBCs, which are your white blood cells, and your white blood cells are like the security of the club. And then your red blood cells are like the VIP bottle girls, and they also serve food. And then your platelets are like the maintenance repair people, like if somebody break a window, if there's any spills, or if there's anything like a flood going on in the bathroom, they're the ones to respond. Now, this VIP service is basically oxygen transportation. So, when you're thinking about the red blood cells going around the club and basically giving people their bottles and stuff, the bottles is oxygen, because if people don't have their drinks, they're going to die. The club business is going to lose its like oomph. It's going to lose all that extra life that it has inside of it. If you ain't got oxygen, we know what happens: death. Now, the doorman, which is the white blood cells, if somebody started acting crazy up inside the club, they were going to recruit some more and get in there and fix the problem. If somebody arguing, destroying stuff, they're removing them from the club. They're identifying the problem, targeting it. That response is essentially inflammation. There's a problem, they target it, they recruit, they get rid of it. Boom. White blood cells. Now, the platelets don't play. They're the emergency response team. If somebody busting holes up in the wall, breaking windows, you know who's going to be there to repair it? Because don't nobody want the party to stop. This club business is your bloodstream. We all want it to keep going. Everybody has a role to help the club business stay maintained, and that's the same thing within your bloodstream. They want everything maintained so the party can keep going. The party is life. Life is a party. Chaque jour le fête. So if there's no oxygen, there's no bottle service, then the red blood cell count is low. Supply and demand, right? And then if there is any issues when it comes to like damages that need to be fixed, platelets. If the platelets is in high count, that means there is some type of trouble that they need to address. Coagulation. Now, if there is any type of security in high numbers, that's an immune response, which means the security got to figure out where the problem at and alleviate it. So that is essentially how your bloodstream works. Now, DCY, a doctor will order a CBC. A CBC is a complete blood count. Once you get a number on what's going on in the bloodstream, then you'll know if there's an issue with oxygen. Then you'll know if it's a clotting issue. Then you'll know if it's an immune response issue. Your body like the club. Pay attention. Well, if you liked that video or found it educational, I can definitely do more. And stay tuned to Rough and Pink to see what other analogies I can come up with.